Hello friends, this is Team Novelist channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can wipe or delete all data or reset your mobile to factory settings in Vivo Y15s. So before you're starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to factory reset your Vivo Y15s, simply first of all you just need to go to settings and just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.